Hello students. Now we will discuss one more topic, that is women and print. Women and print. Lives and feeling of women began to be written in particularly vivid and intense ways. Vivid and intense ways. Liberal husband and fathers began educating their women folk at home and sent them to school when women's school set up in cities in the mid of 19th century. Many journals began carrying writing by women and explain why women should be educated. Why women should be educated. Conservative Hindus believe that a literate girl would be widow. Okay, a literate girl would be widow. On the other hand, a Muslim feared that educated women would be corrupted. Educated women would be corrupted by reading Urdu romances. So, a girl in a conservative Muslims, a girl in a conservative Muslim, a girl in a conservative Muslim family of North India who secretly learn to read and write in Urdu. Secretly learn to read and write in Urdu. Her family wanted her to read only the Arabic Quran, which she did not understand. So, she insisted on learning to read a language that was her own. In East Bengal in 19th century, Rasundari Devi, a young married girl in a very orthodox household, learned to read in the secrecy of her kitchen. Later, she wrote her autobiography, Amar Jeevan. What was the name of autobiography? Amar Jeevan, in 1876. It was the first full-length autobiography published in Bengali language. In 1860s in Bengal, okay, Kailas Vasini Devi wrote books highlighting the experience of women. That is, how were they imprisoned at home? How they kept in ignorance, how they forced to do hard domestic labor, how they were treated unjustly. All these things were mentioned in her book. In Maharashtra, Tarabai Sindhe and Pandita Ramabai wrote with passionate anger about the miserable lives of upper caste Hindu women, especially widows. Hindi printing began only from 1870. Journals edited by women extremely popular. In their journal, they discuss issue like first, women educations, second, widowhood, thirdly, widow remarriage, and fourth, the national movement. National movement. In Punjab, folk literature was widely printed. Folk literature was widely printed. Ram Chadda published Stri Dharma Vichar to teach women to be obedient wives. Okay, Ram Chadda published what's it? Stri Dharma Vichar to teach women to be obedient wives. The Khalsa Tract Society, published cheap booklets with a similar message. In Bengal, in central Calcutta, the Battala was devoted to the printing of popular books. The Battala was devoted to the printing of popular books.